quickly and safely chops fruits, vegetables and more in one easy motion. Convenient opening for easy pouring without lifting lid or disassembling. Removable grid helps clean between chopper blades and snaps back into place after removal for easy onboard storage. Lid designed to provide leverage for efficient chopping. Stainless steel blade pattern and recessed cutting area keeps food in place. 2.5 cup capacity body collects chopped food and non-slip base provides stability while chopping. No more tears. Quickly and safely chop onions, peppers, and more in one easy motion, and easily pour chopped fruits or veggies without removing the lid. The stainless steel blade pattern and recessed cutting area keeps food in place while the lid provides leverage for efficient chopping. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use, easy to clean, value for money. I don't usually write reviews, but seeing some who said it was rubbish, I felt I should give my opinion. I have had mine for almost a year. We follow Slimming World, so there is always some vegetable that needs chopping or dicing. I get lazy and tend to chuck most things through this. It literally does everything I throw at it: mushrooms, carrots, celery, onions, even some small potatoes, very small new potatoes. The first time I used it I stupidly cut through the purple bit on the lid, but it still works fine without. Once everything has been cut I rinse it through and then chuck it on the top shelf of the dishwasher. This is used daily in our home, sometimes twice a day.